Yes!
Yes!
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yes!
He's pulling.
He's pulling,
Let
yeah.
me get to the front.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Yes!
That was a sick.
Yeah, I got that on video.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this thing.
Oh my god. That was awesome. Alright. This is best day ever.
That's just cold.
Albie 2020 is
So
right now. Yes, yes.
Oh, I knew that was a good cast.
Yeah, you did. You said it. I
my
think
God.
this is a good cast. You gonna come?
Tighten down this drag like never before.
Really?
Yeah.
Can't even see him yet.
No, he took out so much line.
Yeah. Oh, he
Shut the boat,
exploded.
shut the boat, shut the boat.
He exploded on that line.
Oh my god. Look, keep an eye out.
I know, that's
Look around.
yeah.
I heard one. This is the greatest spot of all time.
Yeah. We say that every time.
This one looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Looks pretty good.
I like this. I like this.
Ready?
Yep. I'm in an awkward position.
Tail grab. You got him? You got him.
Oh, you got him! I firmly grasped that. Nice, nice, nice. You want to hold him closer?
Nope. Oh, that was sick.
He flew.
That was sick.
Oh, wow. I see it. They're right here. They're right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Stop, stop, stop.
There's so many right here.
I know. Oh! Automatic. That was a huge hit. Shoot.
Go, go, go.
Double up, double up.
That's the green right there.
Yeah. No, no. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I just had to move. Oh. He's still on. Yep. He took off so fast.
Oh, I know. That was.
Kind of like yours. Like,
See him eat it?
I got it on video. It was right in front of me. I didn't see him eat it. I didn't, but I saw just all the commotion of it and then everything. Oh, he's coming around, but I mean, he's also leaving. Oh. What? What? Yeah. I know. I just saw it. Oh. Oh, this doesn't feel good.
Wow.
I feel the hook moving, I think. Really? Keep an eye. Here he is, here he is.
You see him?
I got him, yeah. Oh, he's coming right up. Here he is. Looks decent. Ooh.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, look. Oh, he's actually big.
Is he? Oh, oh.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Boom. Goodbye.
2 for 2.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay.
All right, where are they next? Where are they next? They're still right here. I'm gonna.
Yeah, they are still right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in gear.
It's actually pretty cool. It's not where they're going, it's where they were.
Yeah, where are they going is the question. Oh my god! That was awesome!
That was like a freaking tuna!
Oh my god, yeah, I gotta shut the boat off.
Maybe they are targeting it!
Yeah, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, I might have to switch back to silver.
There's some over there.
No, I don't care. Unless they're too close. where I can't.
There was casting distance.
Where?
Oh my god.
Where? Oh yeah, no, I see him.
There's a bunch. There's a whole bunch. This is a double up. Dude, this kid's gonna spool me.
Oh, double up!
Yes! Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Try and move him right because mine's left.
Yep. I think he kind of chooses where he wants to go. But I know what you mean. Mine's so far away.
Mine's coming. I gotta move.
Mine's leaving. No. Are you serious?
Yep.
No, mine's way out.
Doesn't matter.
Doubled up.
Freaking fight with Albies. The front of the boat. How epic.
Oh,
How epic is this?
this is the best.
Oh my gosh.
Mine's giving up. Oh, never mind.
Mine's gotta be close. Gotta be close. I'm so scared.
No, we're good. Really? Yeah, but I haven't seen mine. Have you seen yours?
Nope. I saw him jump out of the water.
Did you?
Yeah, remember when he ate mine?
Oh, yeah, to eat it,
You
yeah.
have your GoPro on?
Yeah, I did. Perfect, yeah. Oh!
An unhealthy den.
Yeah, both of us right now.
Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up.
Oh, there's mine. Okay.
Come on up.
This is gonna be hard. Oh!
Look, they're buzzing right there.
You wanna put one down into a rod holder and cast the other one? Cast the backup. Oh!
Mine is like,
Yeah, so is mine.
holy crap.
My rod has never been this hard.
This thing does not want to come onto the boat.
Oh! Only Albies do this. I gotta keep this tip up. He just ran at the worst time. Oh my god, I just saw another one come up next to the boat that wasn't ours.
No, that's mine. Mine's under the boat. Like,
Oh, mine's under the boat too. Mine's towards yours. What if we're fighting each other? Imagine our lures just hooked. Are you?
no.
Oh.
I'm gonna go to the front. Let's switch sides.
Wait, mine's going to the front.
Mine's
Oh, now mine's running in the back.
really under the boat.
Oh, I see mine. No!
Yeah,
No.
crossed.
I could hear it. This is not good. How are we crossed?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is not good at all.
Okay.
How are we crossed?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Here, pull towards me. I don't want like someone to run and cut my finger.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Here, let's try and untangle with our rod.
Yeah.
You know what it is?
No, it's like a double. I think we're crossed. Here, wait, no, I gotta go under you. That's what it is, I think.
Go under me.
Wait, there's 3 lines. Oh, no, it's yours.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
We're not gonna land either one.
No, this is the craziest fight ever.
Yours is right there. I have no
Look.
idea where mine
Can
is.
you try to?
I just don't know what this is.
Oh, you got it. Here, I gotta pull away from you. Oh, now I'm stuck. Are we on the engine? Someone's stuck on the engine. Oh, shoot.
We're not gonna land these fish.
Hey, you never know.
Yours is stuck in the engine, I think.
This is crazy.
Just grab yours. Grab
Yeah.
it.
Don't run, bud.
I'm gonna just try and like reel mine.
Oh.
This This is
We're
bad.
both still on. Somehow.
Somehow.
Oh, wait, there's a lot of tension. Here, can I just go over you and try that?
Try it.
Did that work? Here, now I gotta go under you, I think. Here. Yeah, I gotta go under.
Nah.
Yeah. No, you gotta go.
Where did I go? No, it's just crossed, dude.
It's crossed, it like tangled also.
Just grab your fish, like pull
No,
it
that's
and grab
yours.
That's not mine. Oh, is that?
Yeah, it is yours. Mine's all the way out there, I
I'm
think.
gonna grab it then.
Whoever's fish it is, we need to land one before we can land the second one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna grab it.
Yeah.
Hold both rods, and I'm gonna grab the line.
Okay.
And just get this one in the boat.
Get that one in the. Oh, this is yours. Mine. Oh. No, that one's mine.
Is it really?
Yeah, that one's mine.
This could be like a monster.
Yeah.
Just, all right, cut your line, cut your line. Cut your line, cut your line.
Yeah.
There you go. Holy crap, if I land this.
Smart move by cutting the line. Here, I gotta.
Because we already got him in the boat, you know?
Yeah.
right
Didn't
here.
matter at that point.
It's right here.
Here, okay.
Come on, baby.
Here.
I feel bad for yours.
What?
I don't know.
For the fish?
Yeah.
Why?
He's been out for a while and he was just
No, whatever.
up there. Mine is like a tank. It's just a rod. But he's a tank.
This guy's wrapped in line.
Can you grab mine?
Yeah. Oh.
Wait. Alright, let's make it a pass. Here he comes. Tail.
Oh, I just missed.
Tail.
Oh.
Burke.
The tail is too far down.
Let me do it.
Yeah, I got him right now. Oh.
Grab him. That looks big. That looks pretty
This
big.
does look big. You sure?
Yeah. What a story.
You look there, I'll look here. Okay. Are you on?
Now I'm
Oh!
That's a blue.
What? What the heck?
Maybe not. I think it is.
Is it fighting?
No, it's a bone!
No way! It's a bone! Oh my god!
It's a bone! It's a bone!
Can you keep...
He's running at me. It's a bone! It's a bonita! It's a bonita!
Get this over here! Get this over
It's a
here!
bonita!
I will get this in the boat if...
No, it's a bonita! Listen to that!
Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
New goal! Not sure though. You know, it could be a bluefish, could be a scup, sea robin. Oh my god! We're staying overnight. We're sleeping on this boat.
Look at that! Look at that!
Get me that!
Tail. Don't grab the line! Grab the tail. Ready?
Yes. That. Stop doing that, Bo.
Get that tail.
Oh. Whoa! I don't want to get cut. Oh, I keep missing him.
You gotta grab him right here.
Yeah. You just got a triple crown.